Hello dear boys and girls, hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will conduct another virtual class for the students of class 6 English version, Bangladesh and Global Studies. So let's get start the class. Today we will discuss in chapter number 6, Culture of Bangladesh. The title of our chapter is the culture of Bangladesh. We know about culture. What is culture? Okay, culture means not only the amusement pattern, entertainment pattern, dancing, singing, art. Okay, fine arts. Not only the fine arts are the pattern of culture. Not only the drama making, not only the film making, or not only the photo shoot. Entertainment pattern is not only the whole culture. This is only a part of culture, particular part of culture. So let's get into the definition of culture. After finishing this chapter, after the discussion, explanation of this chapter, after completing our lesson, we will be able to explain the concept of culture, and then we will be able to explain the elements of Bangladeshi culture. Okay, the cultural pattern is very different from country to country. Okay, there is a huge variety of the cultural pattern over the world, and then finally we will be able to analyze the effect of culture on individual life and social life both. Okay, there are 6 lessons in this chapter. There are 6 lessons. Lesson number 1 is concept of culture. Lesson number 1 is concept of culture, and lesson number 2 elements of Bangladeshi culture, and then lesson number 3 and 4 forms and feature of Bangladeshi culture. Forms and feature of Bangladeshi culture, and the lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is pattern of Bangladeshi culture. Pattern of Bangladeshi culture. And the next and the last is impact of culture on individual and social life. We will discuss. First of all, we have to know about the culture. What is culture? In general sense, the mass people think that culture means only the entertainment patterns. Okay, singing, dancing, participate in drama, okay, just amusement pattern. Do we think that Pohela Boishakh, celebrating Pohela Boishakh, celebrating Eid Fitr, celebrating the most, celebrating the Sangrai festival, okay, in our hill tract, the indigenous people, this is the only a part of the culture. The culture is a holistic matter, okay? The lifestyle of the individual, lifestyle of the member of the society are the including with the culture, okay? So let's get into an interesting definition of culture. If we will be able to explain the definition of culture, we will get all of the features, all of the characteristics of cultures, all of the features of cultures, forms of cultures, only from a single definition, okay? Let's see. Culture. Culture is that complex whole including knowledge, beliefs, arts, moral, law, custom, and any other habits and capabilities acquired by man as the member of society. Okay, I am telling again. Culture is that complex whole, knowledge, beliefs, arts, moral, law, customs, and any other habits and capabilities acquired by man as the member of society. Like that, knowledge, the education pattern, the moral values which we learned from our ancestor is called knowledge. So knowledge is a part of culture. And then beliefs. Okay, we have some beliefs from our childhood. Okay, but in the Indian society or in far more in the West, okay, European beliefs and the Asian beliefs is not same. It's not same. And then arts, what is the arts? Yes, I told about the arts. So this is called, what is this? This is called the fine arts, like that fine arts, the drawing pattern. France is very remarkable. France is very renowned for its fine arts. But this kind of arts is not acceptable in our society. Okay? We accept the arts of Jainul Abidin, Kamrul Hassan, but the French arts, fine arts, will not be accepted in this society because of very free and open thinking, open pattern. We are the conservative society, so this is the cultural pattern which is for the arts, and then morality, showing honor to the elders, okay, giving affection to the youngers, and taking the responsibilities. Okay, this is morality, means which are practicing for time in memorial in a particular society. Morality, this means, okay. And law, what is law? Yes, we know about law. In our school we have some particular law, in our society we have some law, and in our state we have some law by which we can get protection from the unexpected situations. If anybody snatches my mobile, I can complain to the police station for recover my mobile. If anybody hack my Facebook ID, I can complain to the legislative authority. Okay, this is the law. Okay, and the customs and morality. Custom means some things, it may be scientific or not. Custom means some practicing behavior which are practiced for many years ago. Okay, wearing sari in the Bengali tradition, this is called a custom. Okay, maintaining or the celebrating Pahala Boishakh is a custom. This is not, there is no scientific explanation. This is our custom. This give us contentment. This is our custom. And then any other habits and capabilities acquired by man as the member of society. Okay, you can do anything special. This is also a part of culture. Simply, if you live in Bangladesh, I can get the experience how to ride a rickshaw. But if you live in Europe, you can't get the chance to know how to ride a rickshaw, because there is no rickshaws in Europe. So if we will live in a particular society, particular corner of the world, we will get the particular experience. This is also the part of our culture. Okay, this is the culture. The lessons of this chapter are also included in this single definition of culture. Yes, like the concept of culture. This is what is culture. These are all the concept of culture. Culture is our lifestyle. Culture is the lifestyle of particular society, particular nation. Elements of BD culture, elements of Bangladeshi culture. Yes, we have some cultural elements like that. Our livelihoods pattern, our fine arts pattern, our entertainment patterns, our food habit, our religions, our marriage system is also the part of our culture. Our marriage system is also a part of our culture. The polygamy is legitimate in our society. Generally, male person of our society can get married so many wives. Okay, this is our cultural pattern, but this is not appreciated. And our religions is also our part of culture. We have three major religions in our society: Muslims, Hindus, and Buddhists. That means Buddhism, Hinduism, and Islam. Christianity also have Christianity is the lowest percentage in the comparison with among the religion. This is also our part of culture. This is the part of religion, also the part of culture. Marriage system also the part of culture. The traditional marriage system of Hindus is totally different from Muslims. The Christians' marriage system is totally different from Hindus. Okay, the indigenous peoples, the inhabitants of our hill tracts, okay, are also totally different from the marriage system of Muslims, Hindus, and Buddhists. Okay, the traditional Buddhists and the indigenous Buddhists are totally live in totally different pattern of culture. Okay, the food habit also different. The indigenous people's food habit, our food habit, okay, totally different. This is called the cultural pattern. And the next, impact of culture on individual and social life. Yes, obviously there is the strong impact on personal life and the social life culture. Okay, if I live in a middle class family, I have some particular cultural pattern. If anybody have grown in a rich family, his cultural pattern will be his food habit, his clothing style will be different, okay, his lifestyle will be expensive. But in a lower class family or the middle class family, lower middle class family, we have a conservative lifestyle. This is my own cultural pattern. We will discuss about this like this. We are a riverine country. The occupation, the livelihood of our people will totally different from Europe. Our peoples are generally farmers, fishermen, blacksmith, weaver, okay, normal service holder. Farmers is the major occupational cultural pattern of our country. This is my discussion, and the culture are divided into two major parts: material culture and non-material culture. But the material and non-material culture are also connected each other, like Nokshikata. Nokshikata is a material cultural pattern, material elements of culture, like because we can touch it, we can use it as matter, okay. But the design of a Nokshikata is the thinking of a village woman. So the thinking, the pattern, the story drawn in the Nokshikata is not touchable. So this is the non-material culture, okay, non-material culture. Culture into finally the cultures divided into two major parts: material culture and non-material culture. There is a interesting concept about culture. This is called cultural lag. What is cultural lag means? The difference between material culture and non-material culture. I can give an example about this. An example about this, like I have a very smart mobile, but I do not know how to use all of the feature of this mobile. Okay, I have a mobile. This is a material gaining, but I don't know how to use this mobile. This is the non-material. This is the non-material part of the mobile. So the laggings. I have a mobile, very expensive mobile, but I don't know how to use this mobile. This is the lagging of knowledge and material objects. Knowledge and there is a difference between knowledge and material objects. I can buy an expensive mobile but don't know how to use all of the feature of this mobile. I have no knowledge but have a material body, material things, material objects, but there is a lagging between the knowledge and the gaining. This is called the cultural lag. Okay, I have already finished my simple discussions. You will have to read the textbook thoroughly again and again, and can get help from your parents to realizing the meaning and gist of this text. Okay, thank you very much. Please submit the homework as usual. From the last part of this chapter, you have to write down the answer of the creative questions and send me to my individual WhatsApp page. Okay? Thank you very much for staying with me. We will meet soon. Allah Hafiz.